Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, on a very windy morning, coming to bring you guys a new video for today, guys. And in this video, I'm talking about another thing that can easily get you deactivated. So you definitely want to make sure that you have yourself together on this. And guys, I am talking about riding people with their minor kids or their infant child and they don't have a car seat. Listen up, guys. This is a very serious matter and you don't want to get involved with this situation. People will request a Uber and or a Lyft and they'll have their kid with them. They'll have, in many states, if a child is below the age of 7, they require a car seat or booster seat, something of that nature, something to give them protection in the case of an accident. Something that's going to actually be able to, absorb the impact if there is an accident that happens, guys. But here's the thing: a lot of people who have kids, I guess they don't love their kids enough to realize that even though that you're taking an Uber or a Lyft, you should still bring a car seat to put your kids in. And it's not our responsibility as drivers to actually provide a car seat. Because if we put a car seat in our car and then the next person we pick up, they have, like, say for instance, this is for Uber X or Lyft X, and I have 4 passengers getting in here and they have luggage and I got this car seat, then it's unfair to them. So it's not our responsibilities to actually provide a car seat for our rider who is too lazy or too negligent to actually bring a car seat themselves for their kid. So guys, in the event that situation does happen, because you can very well easily be deactivated. No, let me take that back. You will be deactivated if Lyft or Uber find out that you're actually driving kids around with no car seat and they're under the legal age to ride without a car seat, guys. Because that opens not only you up to a lot of legal ramifications, but it opens the rideshare company up to legal ramifications in the event there is an accident involving you and that passenger and their child that's not in a car seat, guys. So you don't want to do that. So of course, guys, you pull up to a place to pick somebody up. You don't know the situation, but then when you get there, you see this person and they have this little person with them, no car seat. So you're saying to yourself, I just drove, 5 miles, 10 miles, if it was somebody like on Uber, because, the great part about Uber is after the first 5 miles, they pay you to go pick the person up, guys. So anyhow, you get there and they come out the house and then they got this little 3-year-old kid, but there's no car seat in tow with them. So what do you do about that situation? Because you already came all the way over there, and now it's like, damn, if I don't take the trip and I cancel, I just wasted my time. So what do? Well, here's what I suggest you do in the event if you're in a situation where someone's trying to ride their child below 7 years old without the proper car seat to put into your car. And let me say one more thing before I get into it. Outside of that, guys, not only if you get into an accident, but let's say if you're riding the road and the police officer pulls up beside you and just happen to look into your car and see this little kid sitting there with no car seat. Well, guess what? That ticket does not go to that rider. That ticket goes to you. And when that ticket goes to you, and if Uber and Lyft ever decide to do a background check on you again, and they run your background and they say that you have a moving traffic violation, and that traffic violation was you not having a minor child in a car seat, yeah, they can pretty much not let you back on the platform for that, guys. So let me give you the solution how to avoid that situation, guys. In the event that does happen, you pull up and a person comes up without a car seat, hey, keep your doors locked. Don't let them in the car. When you ask them, hey, do you have a car seat? Because it's against the law for a child that small to ride without a car seat. And it definitely would infringe upon me as a driver, because I could possibly be deactivated because of this. So just be honest with them and ask them straight up, do you have a car seat? And if they don't have a car seat, then of course you cannot ride that child. So now you're saying to yourself, well, I can't ride a child and I'm over here. Well, here's the thing. Most people, it takes them a little while before they come out the door anyway. Not always the case, but most time it does take them a little while to come out the door, so you're on that time clock waiting for them, because you get that 5-minute grace period, and most people, they like to use some of that 5-minute grace period. So what you do in that event, since you already rolled all the way over there, you know, they did waste your time. You could have been out making money elsewhere. So, you know, you wait till your 5 minutes is up, you slide, collect that 5, and drive. You know, if the person say, okay, let me go back in the house and go get the car seat, and they get back in the car, they go get the car seat, okay, problem solved. They went and got a car seat, they put the kid in the car seat, everything is in legal standings, you're good to go, you take the trip, you make your money, that's that. You get pushed back from that rider because they don't want to bring a car seat and your time is winding down, hey, once it hit that time that you can cancel and you can collect your money and move on, because it is not your responsibility to provide a car seat for that child, and it's also not in your best interest to ride that child without a car seat, guys. Look, you got to be smart out here, because these riders don't care. They just want to ride. You know, they don't care. And obviously, if you come out the house without bringing a car seat with your child, knowing that your child is under 7 years old, knowing there's a possibility you can get into a car accident and things of that nature, you obviously don't care about your child either. So guys, don't let the rider dictate your income future when you're out here doing rideshare. Be smart, and if you see somebody come out, make sure you ask them the question, go get a car seat. If they can't get a car seat, then hey, wait to 5, slide, collect your money, and drive. Alright guys, if you like this video, and I'm quite sure this video was very informative to you, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also, click that subscribe button on my channel so that you can get more content from me. And better yet, guys, not only click the subscribe button, but click on the bell in the bottom right corner. So every time that I put out new content, guys, you get an email right in your inbox about when I put out new contents, guys. Also, if you are a new person looking to do rideshare for Uber or Lyft, I suggest doing both, and you have not signed up yet, right below this video, if you click the little drop down box in the bio, you will see links to go ahead and get started with Uber and Lyft. And guys, that will allow you to get a bonus if you take so many trips, guys. And also, if you've already signed up for Uber and Lyft and you didn't sign under somebody and you was able to get the bonus, still click on the links and go ahead and sign up and see if you can get retroactive the bonus. Don't do any funny business by using a different email. Just use your current stuff that you used for your trip. If they accept it, then you might get the bonus. If they don't, oh well, it is what it is. It's cool, guys. So anyhow, guys, like I said, once again, this is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, bringing you great content so you can do the best that you can out here doing Uber and or Lyft. At this time, I'm getting ready to head out here and get me something to eat and enjoy the rest of my day. And I hope you do too. So stay safe out there, get your money, and peace. Bye-bye.